properly wire a hot tub requiring a 50 amp ground fault interrupter breaker, several factors must be considered, including the correct wire size for the conductors, the neutral, and the ground, as well as the appropriate size for the ground rod and the conduit. The conductor wires should be number 6 American wire gauge THHN or XHHN copper wire. For the neutral wire, use number 6 American wire gauge THHN or XHHN copper wire as well. The ground wire requires a number 8 American wire gauge solid bare copper wire. It is important to note that THHN and XHHN are insulation tight suitable for wet locations. For the ground rod, a 3/4 inch diameter by 10 foot length galvanized steel ground rod is needed. This rod must be driven into undisturbed earth and should be at least 10 feet away from the house. The conduit used for underground installation should be a 1 inch diameter rigid galvanized steel conduit. This type of conduit provides physical protection for the wires and is suitable for direct burial. Furthermore, ensure that all wires and the conduit are rated for wet or underground use to prevent corrosion and electrical hazards. The 50 amp ground fault interrupter circuit breaker must be installed in a weatherproof enclosure to protect it from the elements. This is crucial for preventing nuisance tripping and ensuring the safety of the hot tub users. All electrical connections must be made in a waterproof junction box to prevent water from entering the connections and causing short circuits or corrosion. Proper grounding is essential for the safe operation of the hot tub. The ground wire connects to the ground rod, providing a path for fault current to flow back to the source, tripping the circuit breaker and preventing electrical shock. The ground fault interrupter breaker is designed to detect even small imbalances in current, quickly disconnecting power to the hot tub if a fault is detected. When installing the ground rod, ensure that it is driven completely into the ground, leaving no part of it exposed. This provides the most effective grounding path. Additionally, make sure that the connection between the ground wire and the ground rod is secure and protected from corrosion. Use a suitable grounding clamp and apply a corrosion-inhibiting compound. Choosing the correct wire size is critical for preventing overheating and voltage drop. Number 6 American wire gauge copper wire is suitable for a 50 amp circuit, but it is always a good idea to consult the National Electrical Code, specifically Table 310.15b16, to verify the ampacity of the wire based on its insulation type and installation conditions. If the hot tub is located a significant distance from the electrical panel, you may need to increase the wire size to compensate for voltage drop. Voltage drop occurs when the voltage at the hot tub is lower than the voltage at the electrical panel due to the resistance of the wires. This can cause the hot tub to operate inefficiently or even damage its components. To calculate voltage drop, use the following formula: voltage drop equals 2 times K times A times D divided by Cm, where K is the constant for the wire material, which is 12.9 ohm circular mils per foot for copper. A is the current in amps, D is the one-way distance in feet, and Cm is the circular mils of the wire. For number 6 American wire gauge copper wire, the circular mils is 26,240. If the calculated voltage drop exceeds 3% of the supply voltage, you should increase the wire size. For example, if the supply voltage is 240 volts, the voltage drop should not exceed 7.2 volts. When running the conduit underground, bury it at the proper depth to protect it from damage. The National Electrical Code typically requires a minimum burial depth of 18 inches for a rigid metal conduit. Check your local codes for specific requirements. Before backfilling the trench, inspect the conduit for any damage or leaks. Repair any damage before burying the conduit. When making connections inside the waterproof junction box, use the proper connectors for the wire type and size. Ensure that all connections are tight and secure. Use a torque wrench to tighten the connectors to the manufacturer's specifications. This will prevent loose connections, which can cause overheating and electrical hazards. Label all wires and connections clearly to facilitate future maintenance and troubleshooting. Use a permanent marker or labeling machine to create clear and legible labels. Consider using different colored wires for the hot, neutral, and ground conductors to further simplify identification. Always disconnect power to the circuit before working on any electrical connections. Use a voltage tester to verify that the circuit is de-energized. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from electrical hazards. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is always best to consult with a licensed electrician. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and others. Furthermore, ensure to follow all local electrical codes and regulations when installing the hot tub wiring. Local codes may have specific requirements that differ from the National Electrical Code. Obtain the necessary permits before starting any electrical work. A licensed electrician will be familiar with the local codes and can ensure that the installation is done safely and correctly. When selecting the location for the hot tub, consider factors such as proximity to the house, accessibility, and drainage. The hot tub should be located on a level surface that can support its weight when filled with water. Provide adequate drainage to prevent water from pooling around the hot tub. Do not install the hot tub under overhead power lines or near any other electrical hazards. Keep the area around the hot tub clear of obstructions to allow for easy access and maintenance. Following these guidelines will help ensure a safe and reliable hot tub installation. Remember to consult with a licensed electrician for any questions or concerns. Safety should always be the top priority when working with electricity. The information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional electrical advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician for specific recommendations based on your individual circumstances. The importance of a proper ground fault interrupter breaker cannot be overstated. It is designed to protect against electrical shock by quickly disconnecting power to the hot tub if a fault is detected. Test the ground fault interrupter breaker regularly to ensure that it is functioning properly. Most ground fault interrupter breakers have a test button that you can press to simulate a fault. If the breaker does not trip when you press the test button, it should be replaced immediately. Consider installing a surge protector to protect the hot tub's electrical components from power surges. Power surges can damage sensitive electronic equipment, and a surge protector can help to prevent this damage. Choose a surge protector that is specifically designed for use with hot tubs. Inspect the hot tub's wiring and electrical connections regularly for any signs of damage or corrosion. Repair any damage immediately to prevent electrical hazards. Keep the area around the hot tub clean and free of debris. This will help to prevent rodents and other pests from damaging the wiring. If you are planning to install the hot tub yourself, make sure that you have the necessary tools and equipment. You will need wire strippers, pliers, screwdrivers, a voltage tester, a torque wrench, and other basic electrical tools. Purchase high-quality tools to ensure that they are safe and reliable. Before starting the installation, read the hot tub's installation manual carefully. The manual will provide specific instructions for wiring and grounding the hot tub. Follow the instructions in the manual carefully to ensure that the installation is done correctly. If you have any questions about the installation process, contact the hot tub manufacturer or a licensed electrician. Do not attempt to install the hot tub if you are not comfortable working with electricity. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous, and it is always best to err on the side of caution. Consulting with a licensed electrician is highly recommended, as they possess the expertise and experience to ensure that the hot tub is installed safely and in compliance with all applicable codes. They can also provide valuable advice on selecting the appropriate electrical components and ensuring that the hot tub is properly grounded. Furthermore, a licensed electrician can handle all aspects of the electrical installation, including running the conduit, pulling the wires, making the connections, and testing the system. This will give you peace of mind knowing that the job is done correctly and safely. In addition to the electrical requirements, there are also other considerations to keep in mind when installing a hot tub. These include plumbing, structural support, and safety features. Make sure that you have a plan for all of these aspects of the installation before you begin. Obtain all necessary permits and inspections before using the hot tub. This will ensure that the installation is in compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. Following these guidelines will help you to enjoy your hot tub safely and reliably for many years to come. Always prioritize safety and consult with qualified professionals when necessary. Ensure that the hot tub is properly bonded. Bonding involves connecting all metal parts of the hot tub, including the pump motor, heater, and metal frame, to a common grounding point. This helps to equalize the electrical potential between these parts, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Use a bonding wire that is at least number 8 American wire gauge copper wire. Connect the bonding wire to each metal part using a suitable bonding connector. Make sure that the bonding connections are tight and secure. Consider installing a disconnect switch near the hot tub. A disconnect switch allows you to quickly and easily disconnect power to the hot tub in case of an emergency. The disconnect switch should be located within sight of the hot tub and should be readily accessible. Choose a disconnect switch that is rated for the voltage and current of the hot tub circuit. Make sure that the disconnect switch is installed in a weatherproof enclosure. Keep children away from the hot tub when it is not in use. Children should never be allowed to play in or around the hot tub unsupervised. Install a safety cover on the hot tub when it is not in use. The safety cover will prevent children and pets from accidentally falling into the hot tub. Test the water regularly to ensure that it is properly balanced. Improperly balanced water can damage the hot tub's components and can also be harmful to your health. Use a test kit to check the pH, alkalinity, and sanitizer levels of the water. Add chemicals as needed to maintain the proper balance. Change the water in the hot tub regularly. How often you need to change the water will depend on how often you use the hot tub and the water quality. A good rule of thumb is to change the water every 3 to 6 months. Clean the hot tub regularly to remove dirt and debris. This will help to keep the water clean and prevent the buildup of bacteria. Use a mild detergent and a soft brush to clean the hot tub's surfaces. Rinse the hot tub thoroughly after cleaning. Following these maintenance tips will help you to keep your hot tub in good condition and ensure that it provides years of enjoyment. Always consult with the hot tub manufacturer or a qualified service technician if you have any questions or concerns. Regular maintenance is essential for the safe and reliable operation of your hot tub. In addition to the electrical and maintenance considerations, it is also important to be aware of the potential health risks associated with hot tub use. Hot tubs can be a breeding ground for bacteria such as Legionella, which can cause respiratory infections. To minimize the risk of infection, maintain proper water chemistry and sanitation. Shower before and after using the hot tub. Avoid using the hot tub if you have any open wounds or infections. If you experience any symptoms of illness after using the hot tub, consult a doctor. Pregnant women and people with certain medical conditions should consult with their doctor before using a hot tub. Follow these safety precautions to protect yourself and others from potential health risks. Hot tubs can provide many benefits, including relaxation, stress relief, and pain relief. However, it is important to use them safely and responsibly. Be aware of the potential risks and take steps to minimize them. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy your hot tub safely and reliably for many years to come. Remember that safety should always be your top priority. If you are unsure about any aspect of hot tub installation or maintenance, consult with a qualified professional.